Mitchell is speaking. Mitchell Wisdom, the founder of Trade with Mitchell Tubanation, the number one trading educator who truly cares about you watching me right now becoming an independent, profitable trader. And today, in this page, I'm going to show you step by step the best way to trade, how to trade, and make consistent profit. Let me be honest with you. If you have been trading for a while and you are still not profitable, it's not because trading is hard, it's because you were taught the wrong way. And you must agree with me because you have been, you know, buying many courses out there, jumping from one Telegram channel to another, looking for signals, free signals, following your gurus or your idols, wherever, so that you can make profit. And also, you have probably blown accounts more than once, jumping from one strategy to another, hoping this next one will finally work. Join signal groups only to win today and lose everything tomorrow. And deep down, you are tired. I know. Tired of, the confusion, tired of second guessing every trade, tired of watching others post profit while you are stuck in the same cycle. I understand all these things. And here is the truth most people will never tell you. The market is not random, all right? And profitable traders are not lucky. They simply understand something you don't yet. And some of the things I'm going to be showing you here step by step in this video. So pay close attention and watch this video to the very end. Profitable traders, they don't chase trade, they operate with a system. All right. And right now, you are reacting to the market. That is exactly what you are doing. Buying because it look like, it's going up, selling because it feels like, it's going down. That's what you have been doing all this while. No structure, no precision, no consistency. That's why you keep losing on a daily basis. And right now, I'm introducing you the exact strategy I created, the TUBA Trading System. And this strategy has been helping me, helping thousands of traders around the world make consistent profit. So pay close attention. This TUBA trading system is not another strategy, not a signal. It's a complete way to understand and execute the markets the right way. You trade like an operator, not just someone there guessing and never know what to do. All right. So watch me closely, pay close attention. This I'm going to give you this example using um volatility 75 because this is just a new trade we took that's yesterday. Remember, my Telegram channel here is not for it's not for signals. Okay, what I focus more is training traders to become independent profitable traders. And here is the trade with us yesterday, V75. All right, now V75 index, this is the before, the process. I can't just show you profit without showing you the process of that trade, how I got the result of that trade. This is the process of this trade, and this is the profit. Okay, this is the profit of the trade, and this is the profit in a rich hard market. All right, and watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you step by step how I got this entry, what I do, all right? And not only me, many traders in the Tuba trading system mentorship are making consistent profit also using the same strategy. All you need to do is to click the link on this page to join Trade with Mitchell Tubanation, or go to your Telegram channel, type at Mitchell Tuba, at Mitchell Tuba. Then you come in, then you click here, read the pin message. All right. Then you click the pin message. That is how my mentorship group is. Then read all this. After reading, you click here to join us immediately. So that is just it. Now, let's go to the chart. Let me show you everything step by step. Welcome to the chart. Michelle is speaking. Listen closely. Pay close attention because this is very, very important. A lot of you, once you come into the chart, you jump into 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and start clicking buy or sell, and you keep on losing money, keep blowing your account. Okay. Now I'm going to show you something to do. Once you come into the chart, be it MT4, MT5, trading view, anytime you open the chart, be it in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, depending your time zone. Okay, that is something I teach in the TUBA Trading Mentorship. Okay, how to identify real market direction, not guessing. And there is no way to identify this unless you start analyzing. Okay, you must start analyzing the market. Now, how do you analyze the market? You analyze the market from seeing the bigger picture. Where are the bigger pictures? The higher time frames. You start analyzing from the higher time frame. Higher time frame will help you to identify the real market direction. All right. Now, let's say how I get this entry you are seeing here. I show you the before, and this is the after the markets have already played out. You first of all start with 24 hours here. All right. This is a higher time frame. Okay. And this higher time frame here, looking at this market now, you see that this market is going up. But there is things that make this market to start going up, that identify that this market is going up. It's not going up because you see these green candles. No. Okay. I have make a serious video how to know when the market is changing direction, when the market is still in the same direction, and when the market is about to change, so that you can join. And if you check very well here, you find out that this market is coming down, but we buy here. Why do we buy here? Is what I have made a video. You can go and watch the video in the TUBA Trading System mentorship. Is there. I've made a video on how to know when the market is changing, what makes the market to change. Now, we find out this market is going up. Now, the next thing to do, since we are finding out the direction, is to come to H4. Okay, we need to enter at high probability zone where the market is engineered to move, and we move down to H4. Now, when you come to this H4, there is things you need to look for. You need to look for inducement. It's very, very important that the market take out inducement before you place your buy or your sell, because this inducement is like a trap. The market make it juicy to the point you say, this is the very best place this market is about to buy from. So I'm going to put my entry there. And that is why the market will come, take you out, and move in that same direction you are expecting the market to move. At the end of the day, you keep on complaining and say, oh, it's like this market is monitoring me. Any place I place my buy or sell, that's where the market will now come, take it out, hit my Excel, and move in the same direction. All right. So because you don't know where the inducement is and how to identify the real inducement, is what I have made a video, and the video is in the TUBA Trading System mentorship. Go and watch it. Once you identify the inducement, you need to now enter at high probability zone. You need to enter at high probability zone. It's very, very important. What makes this a high probability zone? You come to your H1. All right. Now, when you come to your H1, you need to identify the high probability zone. There are things that make a zone high probability, and I have talked about these things in the Tuba Trading System mentorship. All the videos are there step by step. So once you identify that high probability zone, what make that place to be a high probability zone, then you mark it out. Once you mark it out, like you see here, I mark this other block. What make this other block high probability is what I have talked about step by step in that video, so that you can be able to, anytime you see it, you identify, say, yes, this is the high probability place to trade from. There is things that make this place high probability. If you check, I did not trade from here, I did not trade from here, all these things are other block. That is things that makes it high probability. Now if you also check here, that is thing that make here high probability where I trade from here. If you check here too, that is what makes here a high probability zone. If you check, they are there. I have made videos for this step by step. And if you have joined the Telegram channel, you can scroll up, check my trade for yourself. Okay, go and verify this strategy, how it works. Okay, you see both the process, no trade I drop there without showing you the process and the profit, how I enter the trade. You can go and verify for yourself. Now, once you identify a high probability zone, okay, now you you need a confirmation of that zone again, and for you to get that confirmation is in the lower time frame, because this will help you to minimize your your entries. Okay, it will help you to minimize your entry. Now it will also help you to get a sniper entry. I have talked about the confirmation of a trade, how to before you put the trade, the confirmations you need to see before you place a trade. And I have talked this now step by step. The videos are there, the entry, the types of entry you need to see. And if you check very well here, from the time we enter this trade, okay, till this point, you find out that no drop down. Okay, no drop down. See, yeah, you see it. Now, if you just look at here, from here, how many are we seeing here? This is 16.14. 1 is to 16. This simply means that if you are risking just $10 on this trade, you are making $160. If you are risking $1,000 on this trade, you are making $1,600. If you are risking $10,000 on this trade, you are making 160,000 US dollars. And the margin, let's say for example, you now target here, this 1 is to 21. All right. Let's say you are targeting up here. This is 1 is to 21. This simply means that if you are risking $10, you're making $200. Eh? That is what we are talking about here. For you to see the kind of you know risk reward you are getting. Okay, even if you check here the time we enter the trade, you find out this is a very clear sniper entry that give us 1 is to 9.77. Okay, and even if you say, okay, I want to be more greedy, I want to extend. If you extend from here to here, okay, if you extend to this point, you will see 1 is to 13. All right, you will see 1 is to 13 of this trade. So that is just it. Okay. So all you just need to do is to join the Tuba Trading System mentorship. Okay. Join Tuba Trading System mentorship. And if you come over here, let's say days, watch me closely. Okay. I talk about all these things, how we got these entries. You see, everything here. Go to the Telegram channel, join the Telegram channel to to go and verify. You see how to check the trend, high probability setup. Okay, so imagine this: you open your chart, and instead of confusion, you see clarity. Okay, you know exactly what you are waiting for. You are calm, you are patient, waiting for market. That's the trade here. V75 index. Okay, remember this strategy, you can use it on every currency pairs. You can use it to trade gold, Nasdaq, GBP, USD, anything, crypto, Bitcoin. All right, so you can use it to trade all volatility pairs. Okay, so see it here. See, before of the trade, this is the after of the trade. See here, the time we enter the trade, and they see the same position, guys. Look here, see the sniper here. Okay, see the sniper here, and the market, boom, goes straight the way up. So that is just it. Okay, you can come to the chart, scroll up to the chart. Okay, this is the place to read. Hey, once you come into this channel, once you join, we are 4,000 plus members here. Come over here and read. After reading, you click here to join Tuba Trading Mentorship. Okay, Tuba Trading System Mentorship. So once you come here, that is it. You go through this. Make sure to you read all this, because here is not a free Telegram channel. All right. I'm here to train you to become an independent, profitable trader, not to train you to depends on me. So because you have been joining from one signal to another, it does not work. So the best thing is to learn how this trading work. And if you check here, this is a good signal. As you can see here, see the sniper entry. So you can use this strategy to trade everything, okay, just to understand how the market works, and you can make consistent profit, okay, trading it. So that is just it. Okay, now see here the same after, okay, same trade here. Watch closely. See it. This is the timer. As of the time I draw this and see it. Look at here. See it here. Okay. See the time I got a confirmation here. Okay. And this sheet here. So that is just it, guys. So click the link, join